So hey guys, and yes, y'all girl, she is back in the motherfucking building, like yes. And I need to stop swearing, so I'm sorry for swearing. That was really rude of me. But today we are going to be doing how I remove my makeup. So yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, I go in with these wipes, cleansing facial wipes from Superdrugs. Like yes, it's so cheap. They're like £1, but normally they do sell, so it's like 3 for £2 normally. So I normally get like 3 for £2, and I normally buy the ones that are for dry and sensitive skin, because I have dry and sensitive skin. So I just use this really to remove the first layer of makeup that is on my face, and then oh gosh, I'm just trying to wait for it the next step to come up. And then I go in with these cleansing, what is this called? Micellar water. This one is for dry and sensitive skin, and it has roses. Is it roses? It has rose water in it, so which is really good for sensitive skin. So yeah, I go in with that and cotton. What is this called? A cotton pad all over my face to take off the second layer of makeup. Even though I don't do too many layers of makeup, but you know, there is layers to this process. There's layers to this game, you know. And then I go with this cleansing cream. It's like a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. You use it to basically just, you know, massage it into the skin. As you can see what I'm doing here, massaging it into the skin, which will melt all the makeup that the micellar water didn't take off and the wipes didn't take off. And then after, you just throw some gang signs up in the air and you're like, yeah, oh and this is a black sugar mask. It's Korean. It uses all over your face. It's like a facial scrub basically. You massage it into your face and you leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. I normally go to like 20 minutes. I like to leave things on longer than it says it should, just because I believe it will work. If you leave it longer, I believe it'll work even more. It'll be more effective if you leave it on for longer than it says. And once that's done, I wash my face off and I go in with this. What is this? Oh, the milk and toner is a 2-in-1 kind of thing. You can use it to remove your makeup, but you can use it as well as a toner. So I use this once I've done all those steps to remove, not to remove, to like tone my skin. You know, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I don't know what the hell toning does for the skin. I don't see any improvements, you know. And I go with once that's done, I go with my moisturizer. And that one is specifically for eczema skin. And I just got this, what is it called? What is this? Oh wait, hold on, it's coming up. Nip Fab Exfoliate is a glycolic acid kind of thing, which is really good for dry skin if I'm correct. So it says 2 pumps, but I just like to go the extra mile, putting like 3 or 4 pumps on my face. And I just work that into my skin with my moisturizer. It says to use it at night time, so I only use it at night time. But yeah, this is how your girl takes off her makeup. And yeah, look at me working that shit into my skin. You go, girl. You go. Like, you is a boss. You is a boss. Like, you know, like, you is a boss, you know? But anyways, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's not a long one, but yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So deuces. Mwah.